Have you ever been staring at your YNAB budget, feeling completely overwhelmed by all the numbers and categories? One of the most common questions I get is, how do I enter a cash transaction on YNAB? It can be a bit tricky at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's a breeze. Let's dive in. Understanding cash transactions in YNAB. Before we get into the steps, let's talk about why cash transactions are a bit different in YNAB. Unlike credit cards, where you're essentially borrowing money, cash is a tangible asset. When you spend cash, you're using money you already have. So, in YNAB, we need to treat cash transactions a little differently. Step 1. Create a cash account. The first step is to create a cash account. This is where you'll track all your cash transactions. To do this, go to your Accounts tab and click the Add Account button. Choose checking or savings as the account type and give it a name like Cash Wallet or Cash Jar. Step 2. Enter the initial balance. Once you've created your cash account, you need to enter the initial balance. This is the amount of cash you currently have. Simply go to the account and enter the balance in the balance field. Step 3. Record your cash transactions. Now, let's get to the fun part, recording your cash transactions. To do this, go to the Transactions tab and click the Add Transaction button. Here's where things get a bit different from credit card transactions. Category. Choose the category where you spent the money. For example, if you bought groceries, you'd select the groceries category. Amount. Enter the amount you spent. Payee. Enter the name of the store or business where you made the purchase. Date. Select the date of the transaction. Account. Choose your cash account from the drop-down menu. For cash transactions, you'll also need to select the outflow option, indicating that you spent money. Step 4. Reconcile your cash account. To ensure your cash account is accurate, it's important to reconcile it regularly. This means comparing your YNAB transactions to your actual bank statements. To reconcile your cash account, go to the account, click the Reconcile button, and follow the prompts. Tips for managing cash transactions in YNAB. Here are a few tips to help you manage your cash transactions more effectively. Use cash envelopes. Consider using cash envelopes to physically separate your money for different categories. This can help you stay on budget and avoid overspending. Track petty cash. If you have a small amount of cash for petty expenses, create a separate category for petty cash and track your transactions accordingly. Reconcile regularly. Make it a habit to reconcile your cash account at least once a month to ensure accuracy. Entering cash transactions in YNAB may seem a bit daunting at first, but it's a crucial step in effective budgeting. By following these steps and using the tips I've shared, you'll be able to manage your cash transactions with ease. Remember, the goal is to have a clear picture of where your money is going so you can make informed financial decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.